It's the morning of my procedure. I'm heading to the new Cavendish Street DHI, and what can I say? I'm feeling nervous, as you would before any procedure, but I've been through this before. Even though there's no pain, I know there's no scarring, it's just that uncertainty, really. But I'm thrilled with how my hair looked last time, so I'm hoping to have an even fuller head of hair after I'm done this time.
Okay, so it's going to be total shaving, but I will leave a little bit longer here on the top, okay? Yeah. So we can see direction of your own hair.
And before your DHI session can begin, you need to get your head shaved.
You realise how important your hair is to you when it starts coming off.
Okay, Simon, please have a seat here now. Okay. So I will wash your scalp.
Yeah.
The next stage is getting your head shampooed.
The temperature is okay for you?
Yes.
Well,
it's a little cold.
Now?
That's better. Yeah. So I've had my head shaved. It's all good. Ready to go. This is the nervous bit, but it's fine. Last time I slept, so I'm hoping it'll be very nice.
The first 3 hours of your session are spent face down as the hairs are extracted from your donor area. As I said, I found this very relaxing. Then, after a brief lunch, I'm on my back, ready to have those extracted hairs re-implanted in the top of my head.
Thank you very much. You were brilliant. Really, really good. Made me feel comfortable. This is my new hair. Right, this is day one. I've just come from DHI about 4 hours ago. I'm now armed with my saline solution, which I have to spray every half hour. That's the most important thing. And I've been to the pharmacy for 2 lots of tablets. Good tip for you, but the Zantac is a cheaper version. You don't need to have a prescription for that, so you can just buy that over the counter. I've got my instructions of what to do from DHI, which is basically taking those tablets in the morning and the evening, and I'm going to be just spraying my head for today until tomorrow morning when the bandage can come off. Day 2, and the bandage comes off. This is the bit that might be a bit gruesome, just in the sense that there's probably, it's not that painful, it's just some blood, but it's not awful. And it didn't hurt, it's just where it's attached to your head. So this area now needs washing in the shower, and the top, which is the newly implanted hairs, can't be touched for another couple of days. It's day 3, and I've finally stopped spraying my head with the saline solution, and instead now what I'm going to do for the first time is actually wash my recipient area. As you can see, the hair has finally settled. There's some scabs there, they've dried up, and what I'm hoping is that some of the scabs will end up coming off when I wash my hair. But what I've really got to do is wash it really gently, almost treat it like a baby's head. Be really careful. Just stroke it in.